Pleasant morning to y'all. Blessed love. Yeah. One of the most beautiful thing and a bonus of living near the coast in Portland, Jamaica is to be up as bright and faithful as the rising sun, which bring peace and joy to the land. To watch the sun shine through like a golden coin throughout the pocket of night. It just ignites you and wake you up and just energize you. Give you so much energy to go out throughout the day and do whatever you have to do. Watching it rise is just priceless. And in the evening, to watch it set is another bonus. Peace and tranquility. And watch the stars and the moon. That's just something else on another level. Yeah. See, in the country here, it's nice and tranquil, and it's got everything to be self-sufficient. You got fresh drinking water, you got the sea right there, the coast is just right down there. You can walk down there, get your fish. And if you're a vegan or a pescatarian, you can plant your vegetable and your things, you know. Yeah, man, you can live naturally here, peaceful. It's one of the most, it's the most peaceful parish in this island, Portland, Jamaica. Yeah. Yeah, man. If you know what you're doing, you don't need to buy anything, hardly anything. Yeah, man. Trust me. So yeah, please do remember to like, share and subscribe so you don't get left out with all the new videos that I'm going to be posting, because we got a lot more to do, yeah, while we're here. So yeah, man. Blessed. Have a peaceful day. Yeah, so this morning I want to give you a tour of some of the natural plants that's inside this yard. So right here we have got the castor oil tree. This is a castor oil plant. They're very good for, it's very good for skin, ear, drinking, to clean out your system. This is it when it's green, and this is it when it's dry. So you need to break it out the shell, and when you break them out the shell, they look like this, some little seeds. So what you can do is people boil these and just bottle them up, boil them and get the oil from it and bottle it up straight. 100% pure one is the best one. If you got problem with ear loss and all, and your ear is thinning out, this is one of the best thing you can use for your hair. So my sister has got some oil, some castor oil nut here from the L nut. We call them the L nut, from the castor oil plant. Yeah, so these are the ones that, this is what it looks like when they're shell out. See? And what you do now is just pound them up and boil them, and you get the natural oil from them. Bottle them up, and this is very good for your ear. Thickens, make your ear very thick. So if you can get the, you can use it on your skin as well, because I use it on my skin. Trust me, it makes your skin very firm. But it's best to get the 100% natural one, because some of them they water them down, you know what I mean? And yeah, some put all different stuff in it, but if you can get the pure one is very thick and black, look very dark like molasses. That's the best one. Yeah, so this is what my sister got. She does them as well, you know? These are a national fruit. Ackee and saltfish is a national dish, you know? This is just growing literally right here as well. I could just pick one with my hand like that, but these aren't ready. They need to be open. They need to be open before you can pick them and clean them up and cook them. It's really nice eating them natural like this without eating them from the tin, like how we have to eat them from the tin in England. It's really nice and natural eating them like that. This is my little niece, Cher, she's there picking it. That's how low the tree is. Look at her with her look herself. Yeah, the ackee, even though it's such a nice and delicious fruit, one have to be careful about how they handle this, because you need to get this when it's open on the tree, right? You can also pick it when if they're fit like this, you put them down and they'll open naturally. But if you just pick it and force open it, that's not good. It has to open naturally so the gas can come out of it, because it can be poisonous. It's also got medicinal purpose as well, the skin. So I remember I used to get cuts. My grandma used to use the skin and put on my cut, and that would heal it up quick and nice. So yeah man, try and get some ackee and saltfish when you're in Jamaica. Trust me, you love it. I can have it the ital way without any saltfish. That's how I like it. If you check out my channel, Meals by Mikey, you'll see a lot of, I've got quite a few ackee dishes up on my channel. So yeah, check it out. Meals by Mikey, YouTube. It's like from the aloe vera plant. It's very good for the joints and all. And I'm gonna pick a few of these and show you what I mean. This got the same thing in it like what you'd get from cod liver oil, flaxseed oil for your joints. Any kind of pain you're feeling in your joints and stuff like that, yeah, this is very good for it. Water that I catch the other day, I'm gonna just put some of that. Yeah, so you just cut the top off, you cut them up in small bits. And we're gonna throw some of the spring water on it.
Then I have to slice it.
You can slice it either way. You can slice it like this as well.
Yeah.
And cut it, but because it's just a small amount of water I'm gonna put in it, it's gonna be really slimy. So you need to get the slime. That's the water is gonna become slimy. So I'm gonna go on the road now, and by the time I get back, you'll see what I mean. But this water, you drink this water, it cleans out your system.
Yeah.
Very good for your system, good for your joints. You know, natural. So I've got my spring water here, bottle up. I got from the spring the other day. So yeah, throw some of the spring water on it.
And set it.
Yeah, and put it in the refrigerator now. Come back. Yeah, medicine.
I get that to drink.
Yeah man.
I want to try it, you know.
Yeah man, proper. So yeah, this is what the tuna juice look like. I put the spring water on after putting it in the fridge to cool for like an hour or so. This is it. See how thick look how thick it is. That's what you need for your ligaments, your joints. It becomes really thick, like sea moss. So that thickness is what's good for your joints, you know. And you can also use this, as I said, and wash your hair as well. So yeah. Refreshing, nice and refreshing, trust me. It just tastes like normal water, but just thick. But it's really refreshing. It fills you up. And this one here is the famous aloe vera plant. You all must know the aloe vera plant, because the aloe vera plant is very famous. You know, this is good for a lot of stuff. But while I'm here, I like to just cut this and boil it and let it cool and drink the water. It's very, very bitter, and it makes you go toilet. Free up your entire system, clean out all the gunks and everything in it. Yeah man, this one here, proper. You can use, just cut it as well and wash your hair with it, wash your face with it. This aloe vera plant is very good for a lot of stuff. Another plant that we have here, this is very good. What is this, sir? What is this? Cersei. This is the Cersei plant, the famous Cersei plant. You can get these in a tea bag farm in England. In the Caribbean shop or probably Sainsbury's, you can get these. But this is the natural plant, the cerci. You can get these and boil them green or dry. This is very good for your blood, because sometimes you eat too much sweets, you got so much blood inside your system, inside so much sugar inside your bloodstream. This is what just purifies it out and make your saliva, when you drink this, you make your saliva feel light and your taste bud feels sharp, you know. So yeah, this is the plant, the cerci plant. And this thing here, as kids, we just break them out like this. Yeah, we just break them out like this, and this is what inside look like. Yeah, and you just that bit is the sweetest bit on it. This red bit is the sweet part, but this green bit is very bitter when you boil it, but it's good. Not everything sweet good for your stomach. Some bitterness is good as well. Yeah. So this one here now is a famous nuni fruit. This is a nuni tree. Yeah, this is a nuni tree. But this one recently, when we were kids, we used to only use no one eat these when we were kids. The only thing we used to do is to pick these for the fishermen. So when they make the pots that they set at the sea to catch fish, they used to use this as bait, so that they put it inside the pot and the fish will swim inside it to get it to eat. But it's a way how they build the pots that the fish, they can dive in, but they can't dive upwards. So they make a funnel that they could go up like this and dive down inside the pot, but they can't dive back up, because you know fish can drown. Yeah, so once they go in there to get these fruits, they get trapped until after a few days they will go out there and draw the pots and take all the fruits. But this nuni fruit here is very good. Yeah, this is like what we call a calabash. Yeah, if you ever watch my channel and you see me cooking in some of my videos, you'll see me use some containers, they're brown, that I use to hold my vegetables and stuff in. This is what make it. So what you do is you have to get this fruit, and this is not edible, but when it gets bigger, they go in all different shapes and size. You can use it as a vessel. So you wait until it's dry, and then you cut it with an hacksaw blade to whichever shape you want it, oval or round shape you want it, and you dig the outside of the inside out. Take out the inside, basically take out the inside and just put the outside to dry, and that's a natural plate you can use for soup or whatever food. That's where mostly the Rastaman they use, because they don't use no chemical enhanced material like plastic or enamels or whatever. They use this natural, you know. You can make all a spoon out of it. Even look at share can reach June plum. So you see June plum now, my best way to eat these are like ripe, but other than that, I love to make juice with June plum. So these you can grate them, but nowadays everybody out here they got blender, so you just cut them up fine and take out the seed and you just blend them in the skin. Don't peel it, because the skin has got most of the nutrients in it. The skin got so much nutrients in it. If you blend it with the skin and just strain it and sweeten it with a little lemon and a little honey or a little sugar, trust me, this is one of the most refreshing drink. You can put a little piece of ginger in it as well. This is one of the most refreshing drink you could ever drink, and got so much vitamins in it, because it's this thing here is so natural and nice. So that's what it looks like inside June plum. So that's what the June plum looks like inside when you bite it. It's white. So yeah, the seed is right there. can see the seed. It's got a big seed in it, but yeah, it just grow a lot out here as well. Yeah, man. Some of the natural fruits them about the place, you know. It's all just everywhere. And this is a cherry tree. Yeah, so the cherry tree here, it's not a lot on it now, but when this ready for ripe, there's hundreds on it, man, trust me. And this now, you can just pick them and eat them like that, or you can just make juice with them. Cherry juice is one of the nicest juice as well, man. Love cherry juice. Yeah, see it? Yeah, cherry plant, the cherry tree. So that's a famous cherry tree. And Billy go. This is Jamaican grape. See them? Bless you. Jamaican grape. These are very sweet. Very sweet. So at the bottom not down here, there's a little pig farm. I want to show you guys as well. This is just a little small pig farm, a small scale. My brother-in-law run. These are his pig. Yeah, so this is a normal every morning routine run, innit? Right. Yeah, so this is Ruan, my brother-in-law. Yeah, so every morning he comes here and he cleans the pen out, wash out, and put fresh feeding and water for them. So the last time I was here, Ruan, you had only the big mother one, isn't it?
So you have sold out a lot of pig, man.
They sold out some already? Serious? And in 1 year time, how much you sold? Because
the stuff you have sold as yet for the big.
Wow, that's not bad enough. On a small scale like this, it's not bad. Because now you've got how much piglets here? You've got
7
like
by 2,
9. No, this is not 9. It's at 3, 6, 7. You got 7 piglets here, yeah, and two mother one. Yeah. That's the main mother one over there. Right. Yeah. So in 1 year time, this is the amount of pigs he's got. And how they normally do it in Jamaica, I notice you don't keep a brand. You don't keep a brand. No, the brand is the male pig, isn't it?
We used to keep brand.
Yeah. But why you don't keep the brand?
But she coming out and you start listening?
Yeah.
They happen to come by mistake because the brand jump.
Right.
From one thing to the other.
Yeah.
And get other pig impregnate.
Serious?
Yeah.
The brand jump from one fence to the other.
Right.
And get other pig impregnate.
Yes.
By mistake.
Right.
Serious. So I noticed they love the banana as well. They love the banana that you brought for them, yeah, the green banana. And I brought some breadfruit peelings for them just now the other day. They love the breadfruit peeling as well, but you have to give them it raw. You know? But yeah, it's a small farm on a small scale. Look at that one there jumping up. Let's mind him bite you. Yeah. So last time you was telling me whenever you need a pig to get impregnate, you just get someone who's got a brand to come around, and that brand would mate the female pig, and you can either pay that person or you give them 1 or 2 of these small piglets, isn't it?
Right.
Yeah.
Not 2, but 1.
One is enough. If not 1, how much would it cost?
9,000.
9,000 Jamaican dollar. That's like over 50 pounds, isn't it? Yeah, that's not bad. Just give them 1 pig, that's not bad. It's alright still, a small little thing. This is just a little side income, you know. Because he does his other stuff. So you don't need any more at the moment. It's a lot of work, isn't it? But I know in Jamaica here a lot of people they love pork, you know, because jerk pork is one of Jamaican most famous dish. If you go Boston, you go by Boston, which is where they keep the jerk festival. They get the best jerk pork in the island. When I'm passing there, I'm going to give you lots of little tour. Boston, best jerk festival, the jerk pork you can have. The best jerk pork in the island. That's the mother one. Huh? The mother one, you see, she look like she can almost jump over the fence soon if you don't mind, Sharp.
Put him in the back because he might walk over the fence.
Yeah. So for a little small farm like this on this scale, it's alright, yeah, because if it's more pig, it's gonna be more work, isn't it?
And more feed.
And more feed as well. So you have to buy the feed. This is the feed that you buy this from the shop, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But like when Sophia get a coconut now.
And yeah, coconut, you give them coconut. Or you mix it with the coconut trash. Yeah. Because when we were youth, Grandma used to have pigs, but we used to have the black ones. You know the black ones? Them ones, I think those are nicer, to be honest. When I used to eat pork, I don't eat meat or anything no like that. But yeah, when I used to eat pork, the black one used to be nicer to me for some reason. But those ones, we never used to buy these kind of feeding. We used to just feed them on breadfruit peelings and fruits and stuff. Yeah, they take longer to grow.
Yeah, but like this one I know, 7 months.
Yeah, 7 months and they're ready. Yeah, so
because
these
these
are
are
more like hybrid, like the chickens, isn't it?
Right.
Yeah, you're right. Because those ones, we never used to even keep them in pens. We used to just leave them outside and let them roam about. The only thing they will dig out the sweet potato farm, isn't it? The cocoa and all those stuff. Yeah, that one ketchup share. Yeah. Yeah. What's that feed made from, you reckon? Both corn and crushed corn and other and enhanced growth probably they put in it as well, isn't it?
Corn,
Yeah, that's why I wonder why they grow so fast. Molasses and all. Yeah. This section here is empty. So how many times per day you have to feed them? Yeah. Come on. 3 times a day. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. You know? Like that, sure. If the pig ever jump over and grab you, say, you just eat you. Yeah, I know a lot of you is going to be there thinking that, oh, sad them little piglets just there cooped up. But yeah, you are going to be saying, yeah, look at them piglets there. They're just so nice and cute and friendly. But once that piece of jerk pork end up on the table, friendship in right there, isn't it? How juicy and nice that tastes, isn't it? So it goes still, you know. It's life circle. Natural thing about life, you know. Everybody have to live, survive. One of them things. Yeah. So yeah, so that's a tour for the day of the yard, you know. I hope you lots enjoy it, and please do remember to like and share and subscribe, because we're gonna get up to a lot more stuff. Peace and love. Blessings.